So children, question number 4. Okay. See, question number 4 is 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Children, this sum is little bit different than the previous sums. Now what is difference? If you will see question number 1, 2, 3, then the coefficient of first term in all the three sum is given 1. But in this case we have coefficient of first term as 5. Method is same. You should multiply. What is difference I will tell you. So first you multiply 5 with 10. So it is how much? Minus 50. So we need two number in such a way that when they multiplied, the product should be minus 50, and when they are added, it is 5y. So it is children 10 5s are. How will start? 150s are, then 225s are. 2 plus 25 you will not get 5. So then finally 5 10s are or 10 5s are. 5 10s are how much? 50. And see, we need a plus 5y. So out of these two, one number must be negative. Then only you will get plus 5y. If this number product is negative, children, my dear children, then out of these two, one number should be negative. And which number is negative? It depends upon this sign. See, this is plus. So put bigger number as a plus sign, and this is minus sign. If you will multiply these two, you will get minus 50, and sum of these two, plus 10 plus minus 5. How much you will get? Plus 5. So we got this condition. Okay. So you write down this like this way. 5y square plus, this 5y I am writing as in bracket 10 plus minus 5. So this is my A and this is my B. But here I will not write A into B like I did in first three sums. Got it? Because I am multiplying this with this. So this is changing. So that is why I will not write this as how 10 multiplied by minus 5. This is the major difference between question number 1, 2, 3. Do not write here last term as 10 into minus 5 like I have written in question number 1, 2 and 3. So what you will write here? This number as it is. Write as it is. Simple. Then this one is, now remaining part is as it is, children. Multiply plus 10 with y. So plus 10y. Minus 5 with y. Minus 5y. Minus 10. Among this group, comparison, take common. Both the numbers are divisible by 5. So 5 is out, common. Even 1y is common between these two. So 1y is remaining here. Okay. 5y you have taken out. 1y is remaining. Divide 10 by 5. So 10 by 5, how much you will get? 2. And this y is out. So y plus 2. Minus. You take minus common. Again 5 2s are. So 5 common. This sign will change because already you have taken minus out. Y plus 2. So this 2 you write in one bracket. 5y minus 5. And these 2 you write in another bracket. Y plus 2. Even in this C, children, 5 and 5, again here it is common. So take down 5 common, y minus 1. 5 from here and here common, so y minus 1. And this is y plus 2. Understood the difference? Do not write here 10 multiplied by minus 5 because you are multiplying this way. In previous case we are getting the same number. That is why we are writing here. But here you are getting different number. So do not write this into this. This is a major difference. I will do one more sum similar to this. Just take question number 10 of this. Question number 10. 2x square plus x minus 45. Again see here 2 is given. So 2 into minus 45. How much you will get? Minus 90. Okay. So Find out two number again. When they are multiplied, product should be minus 90 and the sum is 1. How you will start this? 90 comes in which table? 190s are, then 245s are, 330s are. Okay, like this you will come. Finally 10 nines are, because 190s are, so 1 and 90 is 91. 245s are, 2 plus 45 is 47. You will not get 1. Then 330s are 90, but some you will not get 1. So 10 nines are. Now see, 10 nines are, the sum becomes 19. But I said in previous sum that out of these two, one number should be negative. Like here you got sum of these two plus 5. So here if I am taking this as plus 10 minus 9, sum I will get 1. So keep in mind children, if this is negative, then out of these two number, 1 should be negative. That depends upon the sign of this. Bigger number will get this sign. How I am writing this one now? 2x square. This is plus in square bracket 10 plus minus 9 close, and again I am repeating the same thing. Do not write 10 multiplied by 9 here. Write this number as it is. 2x square. Now plus 10 multiplied by x is plus 10x. Minus 9 multiplied by x is minus 9x minus 45. Take common. So 2 and 10 both are divisible by 2. X is also common here. So what is remaining children here? X plus 2 5s are. 2 5s are. Between these two first minus is out. If you will take minus out, this will become plus. And 9 5s are. 9 both are divisible by 3 and 9. So we should take the highest one. 9, you write here 9. And this is x. The sign will change. 9 5s, so write here 5. Now this 2 x plus 2 x minus 9, these two together, and because this is common, so x plus 5. So clear children this sum? Okay. I am doing one more sum now children. Same thing like this. That is question number 11. What is that? 20x square minus 26x plus 8. So here first you multiply 20 with 8. So 20 with 8 if you multiply, how much you will get? 160. Now we want two number in such a way that the product is plus 160 and sum is minus 26. This is big number. So how you will get two numbers? Find out the prime factor. Very simple. 160. So 2 80s are, 2 40s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. Now from this you are going to get that two number, this type of number, these numbers. Okay, see how. First take this, 2 2s are 4. Second number is this. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 4, you will not get 26. So this is not my two numbers A and B. So make three numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And here 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Again 20 plus 8, you will not get 28. So take another number. Which number you will take here now? This number. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. And this is 2 5s are 10. See, 10 and 16. If you will multiply, 16 10s are 160. If you will add them, you will get 26. So this is the method by which you will get A and B. See, now I am writing this one now. This is 20x square minus bracket 16 plus 10. So 16 plus 10 x plus 8. This will become 20x square multiply 16 with x minus 16 with x minus 10 with x and plus 8. Among this 20 and 16 both are divisible by 2 as well as 4. So we will take greater number. From these two take common. Do not minus it children. You should divide 20 by 4. You will divide 20 by 4. So you will get quotient as 5. 1x is out. So from here only 5x is remaining. Divide 16 by 4. So 4 4s and this x is already out. Among these two, minus is common. 8 and 10 both are divisible by only 2. So write here 2 and what is remaining? 2 5s are 5x. This sign will change because of minus. 2 4s are. Okay. Now these two together, 4x minus 2 and 5x minus 4. Even here you can see children 2 is common. 4 and 2 are divisible by 2. So I am taking 2 common. 2x minus 1, 5x minus 4. So children, here I have done question number exercise 6.1. Rest sum which I have not done, I am giving you practice. If you are not getting the answer, just comment in your class. I will solve that sums again in my next video. I hope that all of you have understood it. Do practice because this is very important part children for 9th and 10th standard. And if you have any doubt, just comment that sir, I have not understood this sum from exercise 6.1. In my next video, I will solve that sums. Okay. So thank you very much. God bless to all of you.